Oh, please go give him a ticket. Go, go. Yes. This guy here.
Red light.
Bang. Got him.
Yep.
Got him.
Got him. Another one for Scotty.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
I can fuck you actually.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, you cannot drive for shit.
That was campus security.
I'm not gonna park in front of this car just in case you think it's my car. Oh my god. That was terrible.
Ride, I wear lycra and fluoro when I'm riding at night. I piss everybody off and ignore the red lights. My life, my rights, don't you know who we are? Cable ties on my helmet and I pretend I'm a car.
Holy Jesus Christ. Whoa!
Fuck.
Right.
What was the point of that, man?
Fucking idiot. Fucking retard. Oh wow.
For fuck's sake! You fucking idiots!
Right.
Well, what in the fuck are you waiting for?
Today, Car Fire Friday. There's a car that's caught fire in Knoxfield, Bunjil Way at Waterford Park. Also one in Melton South McDonald Street, Sutherland Avenue, and in Somerville,
there you go, Scotty, another one for you.
caught fire Callum Avenue near Neenalee Way.
A formal role.
What the fuck are you doing?
Body to advise Parliament and governments. In the first instance,
Fuck.
the first instance,
Fuck.
we're proposing that the national voice advise Australian government on matters of national importance, and that it specifically gives...
This could very well be the stupidest person on the face of the earth.
Wait for a red light. Unbelievable.
Recording.
Oh, and then this guy threw the red.
Did he just go for a red light? What a dickhead.
Come back and find him on the backside very, very quick.
Oh yeah.
And I didn't have to wait long.
I don't know if we
He
could
did
have.
an interview, Malcolm Turnbull of the ABC, and he called for a moratorium on use
Expensive double. Hey!
There every day, so come along and catch one of my cooking demos. The Caravan Camping Holiday Sunday 18th of April. Tickets are online only, so grab yours now at supershow.com.
Well, if you live local, it'll be right.
On CGB, brought to you by Lost Q Sofas. Proudly Australian-made for decades. Karen Point Road, Charing Bar, opposite McDonald's.
At Fuller Dealer.
Welcome back to Afternoons on 2GB and 4BC. I'm Joe Hildebrand joining you for one last 35 minutes because it is 25, make that 26 minutes past 2 in New South Wales and Queensland and across the eastern seaboard. And Deb will be back with you on.
You might get through, you might not. You might have to go to the intersection. I thought he's going the wrong way.
Wrong way. He's looking
You're
at
on the
me
way you die.
Yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
the fuck do you think you're doing? Why are you on the wrong side of the road? Do you have a license? Do you have a driving license? Are you allowed to drive in Victoria? Then what the fuck are you doing on this side of the road? Fucking idiot.
Bravo. Well said.
Personal favorite, Lady Gaga.
Penis so big penis.
Well, I guess it is a pretty good size.
Yeah, that's how you use a roundabout, isn't it? Fuck me.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
What the fuck?
Mama, please don't want out.
You see that?
Mama, I'll let my heart speak. Friends.
Get on your side. Shit.
None of New South Wales people are trying to entertain. Fucking hell. He's gonna go again. What an idiot.
Someone did that to a lady did that to a truck. He went out of the truck and he was going off at a big time. Settle down, idiot. How fast is that, you reckon?
Jet and Birdie, they're really fast.
Well done, man. Good progress. Nice. Good corrections there. Whatever wasn't quite exactly perfectly, watch out.
Cause you're an asshole tonight. Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E. And don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday. You're an asshole tonight. And I've got a feeling you'll be an asshole the rest of your life.
What the fuck? What in fuck's name was that?
Start.
Well, matey, you are definitely going on Scotty's cameras.
Red light.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
asshole.
And just fucking turn. How about the traffic coming, shithead?
Thunder, the Barbarian.
Yes.
Super Saturday, Super K.
Yes.
Well, we know.
Straight to the red light.
A variety of those, didn't they?
Fucking hell. Dumb bastard.
Where's your blinker?
Oh, for crying out loud. What the fuck? You
Cause we from a place you cannot stay. Oh, you can't go.
Oh, true.
I'm back there for the fall.
What is with everyone tonight? What the fuck is happening? Why are we in the middle of the road? I'm so confused. What is with drivers tonight?